Alright, top of the morning to you guys. It is literally just first thing in the morning. It's 6:48. Sun's just now, hasn't even come up yet. It's just daylight without sun. Headed to Titusville to sew up a little hinge on a damn dumpster. One of those dumpsters they drop off at your house and you clean all your shit out of your house and all that. That kind of thing. So yeah, I'm sewing up a hinge. Somebody ran into them or something. So about to take care of that. Do a little stick welding, a little 60-10 or 60-11, and then fucking pop a little 70-18 around there to make it look pretty. Yeah, man. Yeah, if you're really good, you can make that 60-10, 60-11 look pretty, but we won't go there. Anyway, we'll see you when I get there, and we'll set up and see what we're going to do and rock it out. All right, guys, what's up? We're here. I got the trailer open, backed up to the dumpster. Let me show you what we're working on today. We're out here. So I'm gonna have to jack that door up in a minute. That's the hinge. Let me turn this around, I'll show you. All right, guys, this is where it got hit. Now, the hinge, let me see if I can get a little light on the subject. The hinge is supposed to come out like that. Basically like this. You see the new hinge here. It's supposed to come out like that. Well, this dude got hit. It's supposed to be out like this. Boom. And you can see it's in. Door's all swayed down. I got my jack out. I'm gonna have to jack it out up as soon as I get this torn off. Now, trailer's over there. He couldn't pull this out because he didn't have his trailer it goes on. So my plasma cutter won't reach. I could go through the trouble of taking it all out, but that's kind of a smaller weld, so I'm just gonna cut it out with a wheel. Cut that one off and then go at it. Alright guys, we're in the swamp. It's hot as fuck out here. Check it out. I got it ground down, knocked off. There's pieces laying around everywhere. Hope you can hear me. It's loud as fuck.
Talked about holding on forever, our most challenging endeavors, and things that might have worked. We talked about memories of mayhem. It's 11 past 7 a.m. and I'm face down in the dirt. Yeah, it's a new love, and I don't know if I can get any lower. Yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa. We talked about all the goes around, comes around. We talked about maybe settling down, but baby, we love too much to move around. Who could it be? Could it be you? Could it be me? Or maybe we need to talk about a few more things. Please, I know I've never been here before. It's a new low, and I don't think I can get any lower. Yeah, and I just might find could be a brand new day outside, but I don't mind. Yeah, it's been a real good time. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Say what you need. Take what you need. Take what you need. Take me. I know I've never been here before. It's a new low, and I don't think I could get any lower. Yeah, and I just might find could be a brand new day outside, but I don't mind. Yeah, it's been a real good time. Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try to get it here. This top one went in a little cold, so I'm gonna end up going over that. You can see that one on the side looks pretty good. I did it with 6011. I hope you can see it. One on the bottom, I had to grind it out. These are going pretty good, and then I'm gonna swing it out, weld the rest of it. Yeah!
Do it.
Let me run through your mind for a minute. Got a pen, write it down, pin it up. Got a friend, she's offended, I don't give a fuck. Gotta finish what I started when I showed up. Showed up, getting no love. Racing through the day was a hold up. Got it rolled up, every turn giving no fucks to no one. No luck, no fun, not giving up till I'm done when I'm older. Shit down in a pole dunk town, drinking Folgers. I thought I told ya, I roll up strong, run you over. Yeah, I come into your home like a soldier, blow it up. Me inside my Ford truck, getting woke, giving love in every word that spoke, so I spoke up. No joke, time for me to poke my nose up, you know. I don't give a fuck.
Take note, love is what I got for you though. Soul to soul, think about it 10 times. Loving every step of the way. Hope is a little ray of sunshine peeking through the clouds in our day wave. What do you think? Love taking over, creating some shade, finding a way when you can't find a way. Sit back, relax, let me explain. I'ma pack you a lunch and be glad you came. Patience is your first thing. Being okay with waiting is all the same. Take your plate and make it, it's your thing. Don't fake it, cause face it, it's the pain. It makes us grow, so embrace it. So thick in the air, you can taste it. This is your time, so don't waste it. Don't worry about them haters, they gonna hate us.
I don't give a fuck.
Nope.
I don't give a fuck.
Get Give a little,
Give a little,
give a lot.
in the middle.
Give it a shot.
It's all mental, it's your thoughts,
Not
coincidental.
It's
Face it.
basic.
You'd be better off if you face it. Be patient.
And you're wasting your mind.
Mind racing, wasting your time.
Pacing, constantly wasting away.
In life,
Anyway, we're done.
you ain't changing.
Gotta
Your mind,
close
you
it
ain't
up.
changing.
In the
See, it's
meantime,
working.
listen to what I'm saying.
And I'm saying,
You see the weld there. Left the slag on there until it gets the paint. Told him to just brush it off, and then he's got a wire brush. He's gonna brush it off, and then he's gonna brush it off, and then paint over. So yeah, we are. Let me see. We're done. It's out here at the parking spot. So I'm gonna close up shop and hit the road, Jack. Get back home. Oh my God. I probably should have cooled off a little bit more before I started this video here. I am fucking hot. It's what? It's 10 o'clock. So that took me a couple of hours, made a few $100. You know, zip in, zip out, man. Really cool dude. So that was awesome. That was a good little job out here in the country. I like it. I like it. Reminds me of home. I got to use my new Vulcan hood. That was pretty pimp. So I was excited about that. I got the Vulcan Arc Safe with the 10.1 inch screen. Because I had the other one from Harbor Freight. It was like $40. And it was a small screen, but it seemed like it was like too narrow for my eyes, and like I had to go towards my dominant eye, kind of lean it more that way and look. This one, you can see everything. I didn't have to do shit. I even put it on grind mode when I was grinding, and that was awesome. That Arc Safe hood, damn, I could see way better. It wasn't green like my other hood, you know. My other hood was kind of green, and you had to kind of lean it towards one eye. There was only like not that much space to see. But this shit, I felt like I could just was watching a fucking TV, like, oh shit, like I was looking out my damn windshield. That was fucking tight. I don't know where I'm at. I'm lost in a town that I don't know about. I'm gonna go right. Fuck it. What this dude's doing. So anyway, yeah, sewed it up. Don't got that much more to say. I guess I'll do a review on that hood. That's not really a good review. Oh yeah, I also used the because he couldn't pull it out. He didn't have his I don't know if I said this already. He didn't have his little trailer that on that side that does the that lifts those things up. So he couldn't pull it out. So I had to go back a little further than my leads would reach. So I used that little 80 amp Harbor Freight welder, man. Ran it over there on 110. Fucking boom. Of course I didn't. My generator has a 50 amp plug for my other welder because it's 50 amp, and then it's got some 15 amp 110 plugs, and then it's got a 30 amp and a 20 amp. So I just ran it off the damn 30 amp, so it's good to go. Yeah, boys, we're gonna hit it up. As soon as I find my way out of this town, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat me a sandwich, find me some shade, eat me a sandwich. Oh man, this air conditioner feels so good. So good. I was just sweating. That dude probably thought, God dang, man, you swimming over there? These coveralls, man, I'm gonna probably have to wear shorts and shit while I'm grinding in the summer, and then just throw these on when I weld. Because, fuck that! Alright, I gotta pull over here in the shade, get me something to eat, and then see where I'm going. But yeah, holler at you on the next one, probably tomorrow or something.